Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert Word to PDF on your mobile phone in 2021. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Word application which is provided by the Microsoft, and I just want to create a new document. So once you create a new document, just select the blank document. So type whatever you want. I just type for the test document. So this is my document. So I would like to convert this one into PDF format. So just click here the three dots. You will find option called share, save as option. Just to select a save as option. Once you select a save as option, this device, first you need to save your file, that is save as option. So just to select a save as option and give save. So once you save the file, just again click the three dots. You will get option called share as a PDF. So first step, you need to save as your file, then automatically you will get a share as a PDF. So just select the share as a PDF. You can share using your social media, whether WhatsApp or mail or any other thing. You can share your file. So whatever files you want, you can share according to your needs. So I just type and I just send to my students. So this is my documents. I have created my mobile. I have shared with a PDF format. This is one of the step. See, again I'm going to show you. So this question paper, that is this question paper I have created from my mobile phone. I would like to share this question paper to my students with a PDF format. So this is already saved as. So I already saved the file. Just click the three dots and you will find a share as a PDF. Once you select share as a PDF, you can share your Word document into PDF. So this is one of the step. The second step I would like to share you. Just go to your Chrome browser and search the I love PDF. So once you type I love PDF, so automatically the first option of the link, this is I love PDF. Just select the PDF. There will be a different kind of option, merge PDF, split PDF will be available. Just scroll down, you will get option called Word to PDF format. Once you select Word to PDF format, there will be asking select a Word file. Yes, just select this Word file and choose a file where you saved. So here there will be it will direct you to your documents. So there will be image, audio, video and document. Because I saved as a Word file, I just select a Word file document. So there will be a document files will be there. My question paper number is I have given here. So this is TSSED. This is my document. I just select the document. So automatically that document will be uploaded into I love PDF. So now just click convert PDF. Once you select a convert PDF, within a few seconds your Word file saved as a PDF format. Yes, so it is a beautiful option. Just click a download as a PDF. So once you select a download as a PDF, automatically your Word file, that is whatever you created, the Word file will be converted into PDF format. So these two steps use and you can convert your Word file into PDF. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.